Number 8, how we looking? Hey, check it out. Check it out. So, yeah, granted, right? Knowledge is key and everything, right? But you need to put that away, right? You need to join them, okay? Trust me, we'll go over this. I promise. I'm here for you. Before I joined, the only thing I made was pretty much cereal. My mom's actually a chef. She used to work in Manhattan. There used to be this restaurant, so sometimes she couldn't find a babysitter. So if she was about to be late, she would just take me into work and I'll sit in the corner. So my mom has this technique that she likes to talk her way through, or hey, if you see this, look, this means it's ready to flip, or you want to do this because you want it to caramelize and not burn, or you do it like this, but I'm gonna show you this trick. And at the moment, I didn't understand it. I just remembered it. So now I remember and I understand it, so now I implement it to my students. I'm Staff Sergeant Campos and I am a 9-2 Golf.
So now again, just like this, lift it up just like this.
A 9-2 Golf is a food service specialist. We basically prep, cook, and serve the Army troops. So 8 years ago, I'm in Brooklyn and I'm supposedly waiting for somebody because we're supposed to go out. That person never showed up. So I didn't know, but it was actually, I was standing in front of a recruiting office and it was a Staff Sergeant Hamilton. I remember his name, Staff Sergeant Hamilton. He walked upon me and he was like, hey, have you ever thought about joining the military? I said, nope. And he gave me a card. He said, okay, and he went about his day. Well, I was a little bummed out that, I didn't end up meeting a person. So I looked at the card, and it was just a simple fact that he didn't bombard me trying to convince me. He just said, oh, okay, and gave me the card. I called him up. 2 weeks later, I had a date, and here I am now. I am teaching the future of the Army. All right, so for today's menu is just breakfast. So basically they're making pancakes, French toast, cream beef. I mean, they're trying to. That's kind of like why they're here, right? The recipe index serving size is 100 recipes, so they gotta learn how to multiply everything. That way, even though if it's a bigger batch, they still get the same outcome. My favorite part of being an instructor is basically everything that you see around me. I'm kind of just standing amongst the chaos, and that's kind of like where I like to be. I'm there to, as soon as they start messing up, on-spot corrections are my thing. So if you're thinking about joining the Army, I would just go for it. We will teach you everything that you need to know. If you can just look behind me, right? They're all working. Some of them have never turned a stove on. Some of them have never cooked. But you'd be surprised how long you can go, how far you can go if you knew you couldn't fail.